Mastering time expressions in English, on the dot. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the place where learning English is both fun and effective. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's often used when talking about time, on the dot. If you've ever planned to meet someone at exactly 5 p.m. or caught a train that leaves precisely at 9 a.m., then you've used this expression without even knowing it. Stick around to find out what on the dot means and how to use it in your daily conversation to sound like a native speaker. When you hear someone say, "I'll be there on the dot," they mean they will be there exactly at the time they specified, not a minute earlier or later. The phrase, "on the dot," refers to the exact point at which the minute hand on a clock lands on one of the 60 dots that represent each minute in an hour. It's a phrase that emphasizes precision and punctuality. Have you ever wondered where this phrase comes from? The term, "on the dot," originated from the way traditional clocks are designed, with each minute marked by a specific dot. When the hand of the clock points directly to the dot that marks the minute, it indicates the start of a new minute. Historically, being on the dot was related to being exactly on time as indicated by these precise positions on the clock. Now, let's look at how on the dot can be used in everyday language with some examples. The meeting starts at 8 a.m. on the dot, so don't be late. Our train leaves at 6 p.m. on the dot. We can't afford to miss it by even a minute. She promised to return the car by 7 p.m. on the dot, and she was true to her word. You can use on the dot whenever you want to stress the importance of time. It's particularly useful in formal settings where time is of the essence, such as work, appointments, or transport schedules. Here are a few scenarios where using on the dot can be very effective. When setting up meetings or appointments. When giving instructions that involve strict time adherence. When reassuring someone that you understand the importance of being on time. Remember, while on the dot is a casual and somewhat informal phrase, it carries the weight of commitment and punctuality in your speech. I hope this video has clarified what on the dot means and how you can use it to communicate with clarity and precision. It's a small phrase, but it packs a big punch in conversations about time. Thank you for watching, and as always, we appreciate your support. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips. Until next time, keep practicing, and we'll see you again soon, on the dot for our next lesson.